I love you, baby. Yes. Yes.
Until she gets old enough to start pulling his leg as well.
What did you say? Yes. 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 I love the baby sister. You're the cutest one.
Hello.
Hi friends, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, this morning I've been just go. Life with two kids is completely different from when you have one.
You're the one that just went out and you're the one that looks sleepy.
Maybe because I'm more tired than you are, even though I don't really feel tired, honestly. Anyway guys, we're up and Tyler is off to school. Just got back from dropping him off at school. Sarah is getting her very first shot today. So baby's actually here with me because we're gonna drive to the hospital so he can bring me back home before he heads to work. Don't know if I'll cry, don't know how I'll take it, but hey, she's a champ. I hope she'll handle it the way Tyler did, because when Tyler got his first shot he cried, but then he didn't got any fever and he handled it well. You remember when Tyler got his first shot? He didn't have any fever in the night because we gave him the Dolaveaus to avoid the fever. Anyway, so baby's getting ready and I am gonna make breakfast and get ready so that we can be on time. Though doctor is gonna be late, but hey, we're gonna be there on the time that we're supposed to be there. Anyway guys, I'm gonna make some breakfast real quick and get back to you guys. Hopefully you guys will have a good day today. Enjoy today's vlog, whatever it is that you're about to do for the day. Enjoy doing it, have fun doing it, and let nobody spoil your day. Right? You're gonna have a good day at work today?
No, we'll have a good day.
All right, I am going to scramble some egg and make a smoothie so that I can go ahead and pack Sarah bag so we can head out for the thing. Guys, we are on our way to Sarah's doctor's appointment, but it's raining cats and dogs outside like cray, so my girl is all bundled up. Look at her fat face. When she's in this hat, she reminds me of when she was just born. First picture I took of her when she was born. Look at her face, sleeping, milk drunk, drunky.
On the right though, isn't it? It's an English car.
No, she's on the French side.
Her seat, her driving wheel wasn't just on the right?
No.
Oh.
Nah.
Ah, that's what I saw.
Why the back of your shirt out of your pants, love?
Don't want to understand.
Say morning, pretty girl, Rose.
Good morning, guys.
At least your voice sounds better now. Where you belong. To wet London. We're just giving you a taste of what you're going back home to, right?
Yeah.
We're giving us a taste of for London weather. It's raining like crazy outside.
Because it's already raining, so by the time I come back, I'm back to the rain.
You remember? My little champ. Get her shot on her under boobs and she go, and that was it. Right, mama? Right? Good girl. Good girl. You guys, I'm making soup for dinner. And if you guys want to see exactly how I make this, head over to my food channel at Mel's Kitchen Mel's Kitchen Jamaica, and you'll see exactly how I make this soup. Chicken foot over here pressuring with pumpkin, and these two over here acting a fool. Look, her hair sticking up in her head top. Tell mama you're all today. Say hey guys. Ooh, smile on the camera. Oh, she's tired. Ooh. Yeah.
So I don't do it too much.
You eat all your lunch at school?
Yes, but I don't do it too much because at school I was not feeling well.
That's okay. Just have your corn and then you can finish. Have it.
I had it.
More, all of it. You
Um,
don't want it?
No.
Put it in the plate. Drink your water. Don't touch the chair with your dirty hand. Drink your water and then go wash your hands. You had a good day at school?
Yes, and I was not feeling well.
Yeah, you'll stay home tomorrow, okay? Wash your hands here.
My hands here.
Get your step and go wash your hands. You guys, my baby is home from school. Sarah just got her second dose of medicine to feel better from her shot today. And now I am going to eat some dinner, all this yummy soup that I just made.
I love you, baby. Yes. Yes.
Until she gets old enough to start pulling his leg as well.
What did you say? Yes. 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 I love you, baby sister. You're the cutest one.
You're so funny. You're talking to your sister. Can you go in? Okay, hold on. Ah, Sarah. Careful. You want more dumpling?
I have one, I just realized. Meet the person looking for dumpling.
Yes.
Start.
Okay.
Can we
Brother sound exactly like mama. Brother mimicking mama, talking to you. He's so funny.
Only just realized.
No, I do know that he's doing like me, but I didn't realize it was so spot on.
Oh yeah.
Ty, you're too far away. I tell you, up here.
Exactly like this.
He wants me to play with him, so I'm playing with Ty. I'm looking after Sarah beside me. I am feeding babe over there, and I'm about to work on my computer. Story of my life. But I'll have it no other way. Right, Booms? Right, Fatty? You guys, this did Sarah turned 2 months. She was absolutely amazing after her shot. She didn't got a fever. She didn't cry in the night. I guess the medicine worked, and I guess she's just a strong girl. So yeah, today's vlog is gonna be short and spicy because I did spend the rest of the day just comforting her and make sure she was gonna be okay for the day. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I'm just coming on to end it. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you guys are new. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and of course we'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. And you guys can see that I'm tired. Yes, I'm heading to bed right now, and Sarah is sleeping. There she's sleeping. I'm gonna go put her down and head right to bed.